Okay, I'm going to show you how to get on the World Book database. So to get on the World Book database, you're going to need to go to Class Link on your iPad. Once you're on Class Link, you can either enter your information just like you do in Computer Lab, or you can use the quick scan card if you have a quick scan card in your classroom. You also have a quick scan card on the back of your library card. So I'm going to sign in. World Book on your iPad will look a little different because your background is white. It tends to blend in. It's this white icon right here with a little bit of blue. It'll say World Book. When you get in, one of the best places to start is World Book Kids. This is like K through 5. There isn't as much information on this. If you want more information, then go to the Student 5+. But for today's purposes, I'm going to just be showing you World Book Kids. On World Book Kid, you have your search bar, so you would type in your topic. Before we do the topic, let me just point out that there are places where you can go to pictures and video. You have games on here, maps, so Kids has some other activities. World Book Student would not have those activities. So I'm going to type in tiger. It took me straight to tiger. Sometimes it will take you to a list and you would have to just then pick tiger. This will read it to you. You could push this right here and it would read it out loud to you. You could pause it when needed. You have all your information as you go down. And at the very bottom on World Book Kids is where you find how to cite your source. As an elementary student, all you need to do is write the first two pieces of information, tiger and World Book Kids. Once you get to middle school, high school, then you would need to write all of that down. Another way that you could find it is to go to this little gear right here, push that, and then if you go to citations, it will bring this up again. If you use World Book Student, that's what you would need to do to find it. The gear, go to citations. You can also translate this text. They have basically almost every language possible that you could translate this text to. Some of them, it will also read it to you. Some of them, it will not. So if you need Portuguese, you need Spanish, this is where you would go to translate the text. So I'm going to go ahead and X out of this one. The word kids is how you always go back to the beginning if you need to go back to the beginning. And I am going to show you the difference with student. If I go to student and I type in tiger, you're going to notice that there are no games down here at the bottom. But if I type in tiger and I hit enter, I would find what I want, because I don't want Tiger Woods, I don't want Tiger Shark. I need to find tiger, which is actually the first one. Read more. It does have some videos that you can watch on this. So this is the difference in the information. You can see that there is a lot more information when you go to World Book Student. So depending on what you need to research for your teacher, then you could choose between kids or you could choose between student. You can also go down to this button right here, how to cite this article, and it will pop up the citation, which you always need to make sure you have whenever you research anything.